student. In the first part, we saw that how to obtain surface area of a cube and cuboid and their introduction. So I write here once again formula. Yes, first surface area of a cuboid equal to 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Yes. In second part, surface area of a cube. Yes, surface area of a cube equal to 6a square. And third is lateral surface area. Yes, lateral surface area of a cuboid. Yes, lateral surface area of a cuboid equal to 2 in bracket of L plus B close bracket into H. So now solve some example. First is a plastic box 1.5 meter long and 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep. So you see here deep, it is the unit. Yes, unit different. Open at the top, right? Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet. Determine. Yes, ignoring. Determine. So first we find two question, first and second. The area of the sheet required for making the box. Yes, area of the sheet, and second is the cost of sheet. For each sheet measuring in 1 meter square cost ₹20. So solution. Given that L equal to, yes, given that L equal to 1.5 meter and B, yes, 1.5 meter long, L, and wide 1.25 B means 1.25 meter, yes, and deep, yes, so that is called H, deep, yes, bottom to top, so deep, so H equal to 65 centimeter. First we make unit equal. Yes, first we make unit equal. You see in this figure unit are different, meter and H equal centimeter. So here 1.25 meter and length equal to 1.5 meter. So centimeter to meter divided by 100. So 65 divided by 100 equal to 0.65 meter. Yes, unit are equal. The box is open of the top. You see in the figure top. Yes, box is open at the top. It has only 5 face. Yes, it has only 5 face because the box is open at the top, so it has only 5 face. So first surface area of the box equal to, yes, tell me, LB plus BH yes plus HL. Very good. Equal to, yes, you see what to be given, L, B and H. So I write here value of L, B and H. L is length, breadth and H equal to height. So 1.5 meter multiplication 1.25 meter square plus 2 into, in bracket, breadth, yes, B 1.25 meter multiplication 0.65, yes, 0.65 plus HL, yes, 0.65 multiplication, yes, multiplication L means 1.5 meter square. So we 1.5 multiplication 1.05, given that 1.875 plus this plus here, and 2 1.25 multiplication 0.65, you can solve easily. Yes, you can do only multiplication. Yes, you can do only multiplication. Write here the value. So 1.875 plus 1.875 plus 2, yes, I obtain this two value and add and multiplication by 2. So 1.875 plus and plus here and multiplication by 2. So we obtain this value. So now this is two value, we add 5.45 meter square. Yes, 5.4 meter, 5.45 meter square. Here 5.45 meter square of the seat require yes, and second part is the cost. The cost, second part, the cost of seat for it, if a seat measuring 1 meter square cost equal to 20 rupees. Yes. So now solution in second part. Yes, write here value, two value you see in the figure. Let us start second part. Cost of 1 meter square of the seat equal to cost of 1 meter square of the seat equal to 20 rupees. So cost of 5.5 meter square, yes, given that 1 meter square value equal to 20 rupees. So 5.45 meter square of the seat, question mark, yes. So we can calculate easily multiplication, 20 multiplication only 20 multiplication 5.45 equal to 109, answer. Yes. Now second, length breadth, yes, given that second question, given that L, B, H, yes, 5 meter length, 4 meter breadth and height. 3 meter. Yes. So now read the question. Length, breadth and height of the room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of the whitewashing the wall of the room and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50 per meter square. Yes, per meter square. Per meter means 1 meter square. Yes, length, breadth and height. So now solution. Surface area of the walls. Yes, surface area of the walls of the room. Yes, how beautiful this room. Nice. Yes. And the ceiling LB plus 2H L plus B. Yes. So LB plus 2H L, 2H multiplication in L and plus B. Yes, 2HL plus 2HB. So put the value of L, B and H in this formula. Yes, what is L and what is B and what is H, you see in the figure. Yes, plus 2 multiplication 3 multiplication 5 plus 2 multiplication 3 multiplication 4. So 5 4 is 20, 2 3 is 6 and 6 5 is 30. Similarly plus 24. So 74 meter square. This is the surface area of the walls of the room and the ceiling. Yes, now cost of washing equal to rupees 7.50. Yes, per meter square. Per meter square means 1 meter square equal to 7.50 rupees. Yes, per meter square means 1 meter square. So total cost of washing total cost of whitewashing the walls and the ceiling of the room equal to room rupees 74 multiplication 7.50. Yes, 555. Now next is third question. Solution. Suppose length, breadth and height of the hall B, L, B and H. Yes, we suppose. So first, now perimeter of the floor. Yes, you can see in the figure perimeter of the floor, the hall. Yes, equal to 2 in bracket of L plus B. So 2L plus B, 2L plus B, given the value in your question. Yes, hall perimeter 250 meter you see in the question. Area of the so I read this question. The floor of rectangular hall. Yes, the floor of a rectangular hall and perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of perimeter, the four wall of the rate as rupees 10 rupees per meter square is 15,000. Find the height of the hall. Yes, find the height of the hall. Find the height of the hall. Yes, the area of the four walls. Yes, the area of the four walls of the hall equal to 2h into bracket L plus B, given equation number 1. Yes, now area of the wall, area of the wall now area of the walls of the hall. Yes, 10 rupees per meter square is means 15,000 divided by 10. 1010 cancel, so we obtain 1500. Yes, area means meter square. Yes, 1500. So by question 1 and 2, both are equal. Yes, both are equal. So 2h in bracket of L plus B equal to 1500 meter square. Yes, so h outside and take with 2 in bracket of L plus B equal to 1500 meter square. Yes, 1500 meter square. So 2L plus B, you see in the figure given the value 2L plus B. Yes, 2L plus B. What is the value of 2L plus B? 250 meter. Yes, 250 meter. So put the value. So H in multiplication. Yes, H multiplication 250 meter 1500 meter square. So H 1500 divided by 250, because 250 is a multiplication with H, so this is comes to equal, so we divide it. So 150 equal to 50 multiplication 10 and 25, 5 into 5, so 5 3 ja and 5 2 ja. Meter, so meter, 1 meter remaining. So 3 into 2, 6 meter. Yes, hence height of the hall is 6 meter. Hence, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See part 3. Thanks for watching. Yes, thanks for watching.